Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to today's video, and today's video is going to be what is in my casting bag. Keep watching and you'll find out what you need to bring to your castings. Now, first off, you can bring like a little bulto, like a little backpack. That's if you're already wearing your shoes and you don't have extra shoes to change in. I don't like walking around in high heels all day because I do go to the gym right after or right before sometimes. So I like to bring like a big like purse like this. That way I can have the shoes inside. If I do wear my thigh-high boots, I'll have my sneakers inside so that I can go to the gym. Or if I just have like my little pumps, my stilettos, I'll just have the stilettos in there and then I'll just be wearing my sneakers. Now, let's open up. First thing you would need is your cell phone, which I'm recording on. You need a charger, because sometimes castings are forever and the line is so long and you're just like, oh. So you need a charger. Your wallet, of course. Blistex or Carmex. Gum. And this is like really important. You need your comp card. This is your comp card. This is just a photo of how, this is just a photo of how you look. And it has all your information. This is my headshot. And then it has all your information on the back. And then it has other photos in the back as well. Your height, your measurements, your, what size you are, your email, your number, so on and so forth. So you have to carry this. And with comp cards, you would have to update them every 6 months or so. Mine are actually really old. I have to update them, especially with the haircut and all. So I have to update that. You would need some lotion, because especially now it's like winter time and outside is just disgusting and you're just all ashy and your cuticles are disgusting. It's just not a good idea if you don't have any lotion handy. You need band-aids just in case. This is good for show day as well. So you could put on the back of your feet or on your toes so that you don't get a corn. Or if you do get a cut, you could just cover it up. And then this is a lock. Not only for my lock at the gym, but also to lock my purse when I walk away from my bag, because there are some people who don't have really good integrity or morals and they like to dig in. So maybe that's just my trust issues. I don't know. What else? You would need a comb. Your scrunchies on your arm. Also, I'm still like packing my bag. I'm getting ready to go to a casting right now. So I was like, you know what? I'm getting ready to go to a casting anyway. Might as well just videotape this video. I just have like all my clothes hanging around over here because I always like put it on my bed and then I just stuff it in. You would want nude garments, undergarments, since I'm wearing a shirt that like, you see, it's just like a black shirt. You don't need a bra to wear it. Always carry a bra just in case, and always either wear or bring nude panties as well. You just stuff that in. Always bring a snack because you don't know how long the casting is going to be. When it comes to shoes, you could wear a thigh high like this, but make sure it's like stuck to your leg. Or you could wear a pump. This is a great casting shoe. Really simple. And make sure that it's a skinny heel. Please don't wear wedges. Please don't wear wedges. Don't bring the kitten heel. No one wants to see you in a kitten heel. And please don't bring like the chunky platforms. They want it single sole, okay? Single sole shoe. What else do I bring? And I also bring my portfolio. It's my portfolio is actually my iPad and it's charging right now. So let's go get that. Now you could also have like an actual book, but I don't know, I'm just like really picky with books and I'm just always with my iPad. So I was like, you know what, let me just get my iPad and use it because it's also acceptable. So again, you always start with a headshot, and that's just the headshot that is on my portfolio, I mean my comp card. So it's just like a slew of things. It's just my portfolio. Really cute. You could see all these photos on my Instagram page. And that's really it. So yeah, did I say a snack? Oh, also, also, you would need some baby wipes and some VI poo, because you never know how your digestion is going to be. You could be having, you know, some bowel movements, and you don't want things to smell. And of course, you just need a, that's all I'm gonna say. Also, you need a pen just to write things down. And if you want, you can bring a book. You can bring perfume. I don't really bring any of that stuff. And yeah, that's really it. And also, you could bring a glasses case if you wear glasses like me. I could really care less about, these are like 3 years old. I don't care if they get broken. So I just stuff them in my bag like that. Things to my purse, and that's really it. Yeah, you don't really put much into your tasking bag, but just please make sure that you have your shoes, your comp card, your cell phone fully charged. Oh, and also headphones. Can't forget the headphones. You see, making this video is helping me put things into my bag. Look at that. Look at God. Okay. Yeah, make sure you have your comp card, make sure you have your portfolio, make sure you have shoes. Make sure, even though you don't know if you are going to need to change, make sure you have nude undergarments. Maybe it's just like a ghosting and they just want to see your portfolio, get your book, and then see Polaroids of you, who knows. But please just make sure you have those items and go with confidence and patience and just get your life together. All right. Thank you guys for watching. This is my cute little video of what's inside of my casting bag. And yeah, it's not really much. Yeah, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.